What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 3 and today's topic will be how to declare variable in Rust. So in the first tutorial we have seen what is Rust and why this is important and what are the different properties of Rust, which is actually different from C or C++. And the last tutorial, which was tutorial 2, there we saw how to set up the environment by installing Rust, how to install Visual Studio plugin, how to create your first project using cargo, and then we have seen different aspects of building your project using build or run or release mode, different things. So if someone is watching this video for the first time, I'll highly recommend you guys to go and watch the others 2 tutorial. You'll find a playlist with Rust programming Rust complete programming tutorial in our channel, and please go ahead and watch those things, because in this video I'm not gonna explain the how to build or how you set up our environment and all. Rather we'll be going to talk about the variable declaration part. So how to declare variable in Rust using let keyword. So in Rust we'll use let keyword to declare any variable. So guys, as I told you, I'll be going very slowly, but that doesn't mean that I'll be going to explain each and everything, because I am assuming that all of you are definitely familiar with at least one of the programming language. So if I go and discuss all those basic things of programming, it will be difficult to finish this course on the limited time. So rather I'll be taking a hands-on approach where I'll explain, I'll do the coding, and I think in that way it will be easier for understand and people will not forget. Actually I did the same method, or I rather adapt the same method, and in that way I actually learn very fast. Okay, so let me open my remote desktop where I actually set up the Visual Studio ID and all. So first thing first, we'll create one function which is the basic building block of Rust, and then as I told you, we'll use the let keyword, then the variable name, and then we'll use this and like this, and we'll try to print this. Okay, using this is similar to Python, right? Okay, only thing we need to make sure or use the semicolon. Now we'll save this thing, and after that just cargo run. So see, it will print 2. So in this way you can declare one integer variable, and now someone will ask you why these things programmer will the compiler will understand this is integer. So at the time of compilation it will automatically assign this to i32, which is integer, a 32-bit integer, or size will be 32. But don't worry about the primitive types. We'll be explaining the primitive types in the later part, but just for the sake of understanding and just to give you some sort of intuition or the understanding how to declare variables, so you guys will feel comfortable with the programming syntax, I'm just doing this tutorial. So now next thing, how to declare one character. So this C and like this, and how to declare one string. So let's see, and we'll use Ronnie, and after that this. So sorry guys, some of the construction workers are working in the building, so there would be some noise, so I'm sorry for that, but I can't help because this is weekend and I need to upload the video. So now it's like A, B, C, and here we need to give like this. So now it will print A is 2, B is C, and C is Ronnie. Like this, something will be printed. Okay, so let's print this thing or execute this thing. C, 2, C, Ronnie is printed like this. So if you put some sort of space between here, it will be printed like this. So let's save this thing again, and let's run this thing now. See, 2C Ronnie. So this is very simple guys. Now I hope you guys thought that it is going to be very easy, so you guys can become a programmer in Rust. Yes, that is the main statement. I will highly recommend you guys to go ahead and grab your pen, paper or computer, start writing codes and try to do compilation. So if I go ahead and now start talking about the primitive types, the integer and unsigned integer, signed integer, then it will be actually making sense, because if I go ahead and do just theoretical and the dry slide shifting things while just doing this training, it will be not helpful for you guys. Either for me also it is not interesting, or until and unless I'm not getting any chance to write codes, I think I'm not actually able to transfer the proper knowledge within the students. So that is the way of learning. I'll be throughout this course I'll be always approach, or always add up the hands-on approach. Like small part of the theory I will explain, but 90% or 80% of the tutorial or the course content will be in the coding side. I mean in the within the ID I will write the code and explain. Okay, so let me just take this thing and put this thing in the slide. Okay, and let's here, and the sample code is also here. But don't worry guys, I'll also upload the source code as a separate GitHub GitHub file to my GitHub repository, and all videos link all the slides links and the codes links will be shared in the video description box. And those are watching this course from the Udemy, and thank you very much guys for subscribing and purchasing my course. Actually you guys are also one of the main reason or the motivation for me to creating this content on Rust, because I got lots of requests from my existing Udemy students that I should create some tutorial on Rust. Okay, so enough of talking guys. I'll be closing the session now, but before moving to the next lecture, I want to request something to you guys. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button so you should not miss any notification. And if you are feeling we should create our content in a different way, or if you have any doubts or any suggestion, any feedback, any complaint, please feel free to write us. We are always trying to improve our quality. And also if you have any other other topics where you want us to create any video or tutorial, please feel free to reach us. And for the Udemy students guys, I know you guys are having many doubts, so please feel free to write me over the instructor message box. I'll be available over the weekend. So if immediately you are not getting any response, don't get frustrated. I'll definitely check those questions, I'll answer. So that's it, enough of talking. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.